Namaste. Welcome to this new episode. And since we are already in the alphabet A, today I have picked up a movie that was released in 1972 and had music by Salil Chaudhary. The songs were written by Yogesh and the lead pair was of Anil Dhawan and Jaya Bhaduri. Om Prakash was also there in the movie. This movie had 6 songs and all of the songs were very well written and they had great tunes set by Salil Da. So as per the format, let's take a look at the jacket and the backside. Well, this is the cover of, Annadata. Looking at the huge picture of Jaya Bhaduri on the front, you would easily understand that it was a female-centric movie. The backside is here. Yeah. Looking at the dressings, you can make it out that this was a movie made in 70s. Songs were written by Yogesh, and what wonderful songs did Yogesh write? Very simple, very easy to understand lyrics which had great meaning, and they were set to perfect tunes by Salil Da. Let's first take a look at the record and then we'll talk about the songs. So this is the record, in the original jacket. Well, I was very lucky, I got this record in sealed condition with a ex-record dealer in London in say 2011 or 12. It was some 7-8 years ago. And this record is absolutely sealed. It had never been played. I was very lucky to get it, paid a good amount for that, and I literally cut the record out. So, and I have played it only 2 or 3 times. Of course, I do rip my records. So I have the digital files with me. Just for this video and for your visual pleasure, here is the disc. Take a look at the label. The label number is MOCE4141 and the matrix on this side is 2XJW4603 and this side would be 4604. So nice luster, nice shine and impeccable sound quality. So if you do not have this record in your collection, this is something to be, looked forward to. Great record. Well, let us talk about the songs. The first song on side 1 is by Lata Mangeshkar, Raaton Ke Saaye. I'm sure you have heard this song and what a beautiful composition it is. It's a very difficult to sing song. अगर आप इसको गुनगुनाने की कोशिश करेंगे, थोड़ा गाने की कोशिश करेंगे, तो आपको तुरंत ये एहसास होगा कि ये सॉन्ग बहुत डिफिकल्ट है। और लता जी ने कितने आराम से गाया है। रातों के साए घने जब बोझ दिल पर बने, ना तो जले बाती ना हो कोई साथी. Wonderful tune. The second song is by Kishore Kumar. गुजर जाए दिन 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 के हर पल गिन 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 के हाय तेरी यादों में के हाय तेरी बातों में. Third song, melancholy kind of song, very well written by Yogesh and beautiful lyrics, sung by Mighty Mukesh. नैन हमारे साँझ सकारे देखे कितने सपने पूरे ये कभी होंगे कि नहीं कोई जाने ना यहाँ. Just look at the lyrics. नैन हमारे साँझ सकारे देखें कितने सपने पूरे ये कभी होंगे या नहीं कोई जाने ना. What beautiful lyrics. Side 2, the first song is by Lata Mangeshkar. निस दिन मेरा जुल्मी सजन कैसे बत्तियां बनाए जा. Very beautiful song. If you look at the tune and if you look at how the song has been delivered, you will instantly fall in love. And the second song is again a philosophical song sung by Manna Day, which was picturized on, I think, Om Prakash. Yahan Ab Kya Rehna, situation based song, good lyrics. And the last song on this side is O Meri Pran Sajni Champavati Aja, Kishore Kumar and Savita Chaudhary. So all in all, this is considered to be a very rare and very collectible disc. From the song's point of view, from the recording point of view, from the quality point of view, from every aspect, this movie is amazing. This record is great to have in your collection. I also have the single plays of this record because they spin at 45 RPM, and if you do not know, let me share with you that the higher the rotational speed, the better is the fidelity. And that is why 45 generally sounds better than a 33. And with the same logic, 78 sounds still better than the 45 RPM discs. But then there are other challenges, of course. In 45, space is a constraint. तो जो गाने यहाँ 5-5.5 मिनट के हैं, वो SP पे जाकर के आपको 3.5 या 4 मिनट के हो जाते हैं। लेकिन सुनने का मजा आ जाता है। तो रूटीन प्ले के लिए जब आप रिकॉर्ड बजाने का मन हो, तो SP चला लिए, वरना तो ये रिकॉर्ड मैंने रिप करके रखे ही अपने पास। जब भी मन में आया उनको सुन लिया, उनकी CD बना ली with the original cover art and everything. It sounds amazing. So there are a lot of friends who have given me the feedback that the quality was just outstanding. So this was for today's episode. Annadatta is a great record, a highly recommended disc, and please go on to YouTube and listen to the songs. I have seen that there are very high quality uploads available there. See you in the next video. We'll talk again about another movie. And thank you for all your comments, likes and shares. And I look forward to your continued patronage. Thank you.